Hi, this is Gunasekaran, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS Institution. Now we are seeing about degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom, also referred to as mobility of a system, is the number of independent parameters or coordinator required to define its position or motion in space. It references the minimum number of input necessary to control the system and achieve a predictable constant output. In simplest terms, it determines how many independent movement or adjustment are possible within a mechanism. For example, in a planar mechanism, the degrees of freedom indicate where the system is fully constrained over constraints or has the ability to perform unrestricted motions in specific directions. Okay, the motion producing device is essential for initiating movement in a mechanism, enabling it to perform its intent functions. This device provide either rotary or linear input to drive the mechanisms. Okay. Here, rotary input, see that shown in figure, rotary input, rotary motion is typically supplied by a motor, but which generate continuous rotational movement to power mechanical components. Linear output, it means linear motions is provided by a linear actuator such as a pistons operating within a cylinder. These actuators are powered by pneumatic or hydraulic presses, creating controlled straight line motions. These devices are fundamental in various missions, ensuring precise and efficient transfer of energy to achieve the desired mechanical output. Okay. Here, seeing kinematic open and closed mechanism, we are seeing first of all kinematic chain. Kinematic chain already we are discussed about the last videos. One sign I will be say kinematic chain or mechanism can be classified as open or closed mechanism. Consists of link connected in a chain with free end, allowing unrestricted movement. In contrast, a closed mechanisms form a loop where all links are interconnected, ensuring constrained and predictable motion within the systems. Here we are seeing two types, open and closed mechanism. First we are seeing closed mechanisms. A closed mechanism is a kinematic chain where all links form a loop with no open attachment points or nodes. Such mechanism may be one or more degrees of freedom (DOF), allowing controlled and predictable motions. Example including 4-bar linkage and gear trains, which efficiently transmit motion. Here, simply said is a closed mechanism will have no open attachment points or nodes and may have one or more degrees of freedom. Okay, this is a closed mechanism. Then open mechanism, it means in contrast an open mechanism consists of link with open attachment points. It inherently has more than 1 degrees of freedom, requiring a corresponding number of actuator or motor to independently control of degrees of freedom. Note that number of actuator or motor to independently control of each degrees of freedom. Industrial robots are prime example of open mechanism. utilizing multiple actuator for precise and versatile motions in complex tasks. Here said as more than one link will be always have more than one degrees of freedom. Yes, thus requiring as many actuators. Example motors as it is a degrees of freedom. Yes. Example industrial robot. Okay. Thank you so much.